Hi guys, here we've got TCL 205 and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So at first, let's open messages or new mail, like any area where you can input some text. So here we've got it. Now we've got keyboard here. And if you wish to change keyboard language, all you have to do is tap on settings icon, tap languages, and click on add keyboard. Now just pick the language that you would like to apply. As you can see, the list is super long, so you'll definitely find something suitable. So this is the end. And now just pick the language that you wish to apply, tap on done then. And now you can either stay with all the languages that are here and you will be able to switch between them by tapping on space, or you can remove unnecessary languages and have one language only. And this is it. This is how you can change keyboard language here. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.